Hey all, welcome on DevStack. So till the last video we were working on the create profile page and we added this text form field, name, profession, all the detail we added, but we didn't added this profile image part. In this video we will work on this profile image part. Also we will add a button over there that choose the profile image. Like if I will click on a button, then you will see a bottom shift is open and you have an option to choose a profile pic from the camera and gallery. If I will go on a gallery and just wait a minute, then I will click on my profile image, then you will see that the current profile image is now here. Similarly, if I will click on again on a button and I will click on a camera, then a camera will open, and when you click on a camera and click right, then that image will come over here. So we will work on this thing that we will add a circular image avatar and the button and the bottom sheet. We will work on all these things in this video, so please watch video till the last, and we will add a additional thing on to the main.dot file. Just watch this video till the last. So let's start working on the create profile page. You will find the last video link on the description. So just we did on a name text field or other text field that we created a separate method for the each text form field. Similarly we will do for the image field also. We will create a method called image profile and we will add this image profile method onto the list view. And after adding an image profile field onto the list view, we will add a size box also for the padding purpose. After adding a size box, we have to go on to the image profile method. We will write the UI code onto the image profile method. The image profile method will return a stack because first we have an image and above the image we are using a icon. I mean, after clicking that icon we are opening a bottom sheet. So that functionality can be implemented using the stack only. So in the stack we similarly have a children property just like column. So stack means the thing will become one above the another. So you will see the UI after adding the widget onto the stack. So let's add a widget called Circle-Avtar. So I saw that we are showing a profile image in a circular way. With help of Circle-Avtar widget, we can show our image onto the circular way. So we have to provide an image property onto the Circle-Avtar, and we have a radius property. So with help of radius, we will set the radius, and in the background image, we will provide the path of the image, and we will change the path dynamically. But for the initial state, we have to set the path as a default path. So what I did that I have a image, a profile image of Robert Downey Jr. and I specify that path into the pubspec.yaml file. So I just have to use the path into the create profile page. So we have to use that specific image as a default image, because if we don't have any image, then there will be error come, that's null image error. So we have to tackle that error and we have to set a default image. So according to your need, you will set your default image. I mean, you just have to take a random image and put that random image onto the asset folder and provide the asset folder onto the pubspec.yaml file, and you will access that image onto the create profile page or any profile page. I already explained that thing onto the another video that how we can specify the asset folder. So let's provide the path into the background image parameter. To provide a path, I will use asset image, and if I will click the save, and you will see over here that our circular image portion is come, and now we just have to add another icon above the image to open a bottom sheet. So for that we will use a position widget. So we have to use a position widget and provide the bottom and right parameter like this, and have to provide a icon which we are using a camera alt icon and your color. So in the child I am providing a icon, and the icon is camera alt, and the color is color dot still. If I will hit the save, and you will see a icon will come just above the image, not here. We have to wrap the stack with the center widget, then it will work fine. Just hit the save and see the changes. Now you can see that just above the image we have a icon of the camera, I mean for the choosing a new picture. After clicking this icon only, we will show the bottom sheet. So for the showing a bottom sheet, we have to first wrap this icon with the inkwell. For the same we are doing onto the another widget, that for the adding a button type of functionality we are using a inkwell. On the inkwell we have a onTap method, and in the onTap method we have to just provide the bottom sheet. So let's work on to the bottom sheet, because we completed the first thing. The second thing is we have to work on the bottom sheet. So to work on the bottom sheet, we will create a new method. A bottom sheet method were added here, and now we have to work on this widget. And the bottom sheet widget will return a container, because we had to set the size of the bottom sheet, that how much width and length will come over here. So I set the height of the bottom sheet is 100 and the total width with help of media query. Also added a margin so it will look great. Now we have to provide a child. For the child, I am using a column, because in the bottom sheet we have two things first, column wise. First one is a text called choose a profile photo, to letting the know user like choose a profile photo will come after clicking this button. And the second thing will be a row, and before we add a row we have to just add a padding between these two widgets. And adding a row, because we have a two icon row wise. So with help of this row widget only, we will add a two icon. First one will be the camera icon, and second one will be the gallery icon. So let me add a row, and in the row children we will provide a icon. The first icon will be a camera icon. So flat button dot icon, we will achieve a button functionality also and the icon property also. So in the flat button dot icon, we have a icon property along with the on press functionality. Like after clicking this icon, a on press function will be run. And the third thing is provide a label. Like if there is a camera icon, then we have a label called camera. Similarly, we will add a second flat button icon here, and the icon will be a gallery icon, and the name will be gallery. After that, we have to provide this bottom sheet onto the image profile on tab function. So after clicking this icon only, this bottom sheet will open. So let me provide a bottom sheet onto the on click or on tab parameter. So this is a Flutter widget, a default widget for the showing a bottom sheet. And in the bottom sheet, we will provide our custom widget which we created over here. So if I will click a save and hit the icon of the camera icon, then you will see a modal or a bottom sheet come from the bottom. And we just have to set the row, just go on a bottom set and row and set the main axis alignment as a center. So after setting a main axis alignment, these two icon will come onto the center. So we added a two icon, but how we will achieve to open a camera and a gallery functionality? For that, we will use a image picker. Just go on a browser and search about the image picker. So I have a image picker package installed into my system. You just go on installing and just copy this thing and paste it on the pubspec.yaml file. So I can show you that in my pubspec YAML file, I already added the image picker. So we can implement a image picker code onto the create profile page. Now we have to import that image picker class onto this create profile class. So after importing the image picker, we have to just create an instance of the image picker. Just go on the create profile state class and create an instance of the image picker called picker, and also create an instance of the image file. In this variable, we will store our image, which will be select from the camera or the gallery. So just remember this picker and image file. Then go just below the bottom set method and create another method, because we will handle this image picker kind of thing onto this method. Maybe this video will be confusing for you, but I am trying my best to explain all these things. So we have to just create another method for the image picker. The method will be take photo method, and in the take photo method we will first call the picker instance, and with help of picker.getImage we will get an image from the camera or the gallery. We just have to provide a source type. Source type means from the camera or a gallery. For that, we will take a parameter into the take photo method, that is the image source type, and provide that source onto the source property of the picker class. Now we just have to store this picker file, and we will storing the picker file into the image file which we created over here. Just let me go. Here we created an image file and we are updating the image file using the set state. Now, so we just have to call this take photo method onto the these two icon, or the camera icon and the gallery icon. Just go on the camera icon on press method and call this take photo and provide the source. So for the camera, the source will be image camera source, and similarly we have to call this take photo method from the gallery icon also, and for the source it will be a gallery source. Hit the save, and the last thing we have to just do is go on a image profile page, and instead of asset image we will use the image which we are getting onto the image file. So we have to go on to the image profile and make a condition like if in the image file is null. So basically at the time of starting the image file will be null. So the default image will be the ascent image, and if it will be not null, then we will use a file image widget, and the file image we will provide this image file, because we are storing our image onto this particular image file. So to use that we have to use first file, otherwise it will give an error. So just use a file first and import the dart.io package for using a file, and provide this image file path onto this file widget dot path and hit the save. Now all the function is implemented. You just have to test it. Hit the camera icon and select the gallery, and it will open a gallery. Choose a photo, and now you can see that the photo is came here. Similarly will happen onto the camera. So just open a camera, click a pic and hit the right icon, then you will see that our image is updating over here. Now all the thing is implemented. We just have to add a button over here, and after pressing a button all the detail will go onto the backend. We will do that thing onto the next coming video, that we will add a button over there and we will do the form validation also. Then after clicking a button, we will send the data of image, all the name and other field to the backend. So the REST API is already created. You can find the link onto the description. At the last, I want to say thank you, and if you are watching this video till this part, then I just want to say that please subscribe this channel to motivate me, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned of the new coming video. I will make video on a Flutter and Node.js basic also. So stay tuned. Thank you and happy coding.